I couldn't get it to go free as far as that before. I disconnected the NTC sensor. I was actually about to scrap this. So I've replaced the pressure switch on it and it wouldn't work. And I bought another one which I thought was meant to be the same. And the seller sold me a different one to what I had ordered. It wasn't fun. But just as a last resort there, before deciding, right, I'm going to scrap this, I decided to disconnect the NTC sensor and put it on a spin, because the F05 fault that this was coming up with can be caused by the NTC sensor. I stuck it on a 600 RPM spin, and to my shock it went free okay. And I've just stuck it on a 1400 RPM spin there, as you can see, and it seems to have went free okay on that too. I'm actually shocked. I'm really shocked. I thought that this was going to be a scrapper. So maybe this could be working soon, who knows. Really weird how it went then. Really weird. I mean, hopefully that'll be it working then, to my shock. Maybe I'll be lucky. Really shocked. Like, really shocked. I need to fix the shock absorber on it if it is working, because I've stuck it in wrong. It seems it's really loud whenever the tub bounces about. I'm actually in disbelief. I'm really in disbelief. Well, I mean, there you go. If you have a F05 fault on your Hotpoint washing machine, try it with the NTC sensor on the heater disconnected and see if it'll work. I'm gobsmacked. I'm truly gobsmacked. Wow. Gosh, maybe I'll actually have a chance at fixing this now that I think it's that's causing the fault. Gosh. Okay. Well, that's at least one good... Oh. Are you serious? Are you serious? Maybe that's coming up because the sensor's disconnected. That didn't come up last time. You're so kind to me, Hotpoint. Hopefully that's just came up because the sensor's disconnected. Yeah, I'm gonna have to research that now, aren't I? Thank you, Hotpoint. I don't know if I'll have luck fixing it now. Who knows? That was another shock. Lovely. Thank you, Hotpoint. Sick.